Good morning to all of you. Namaste. Welcome to the PK Developer Training Program. It's indeed an honor to be part of this morning celebrations. In fact, yesterday I was there. I was with our Honorable CCS sir at MIT. We had a short discussion. I was supposed to be staying there whole of today to be part of the event, but some exigency I had to come back to Bangalore yesterday night. My sincere apologies for not being physically there and be with Arvind Kumar sir and all of you. At the outset, let me welcome you all once again to the program. Uh, as you are all aware, the digital trust and the digital economy is thriving the country to the next level. And India is hoping to become very soon not only the top three, but the ambition to go further up into the global economic value chain. The whole thing becomes possible only in a digitally connected and digitally trustworthy environment where economy can go forward. And one of the key ingredients for the digital economy is going to be our ability to create digital transactions of value that is not just mutually recognized, but also legally tenable through multilateral and bilateral agreements. And this calls for solutions that are robust and that are up to the mark, complying to not only just the international standards, but also best industry practices for secure development, in addition to just the compliance part. So from that perspective, today's event is very, very significant. And we have conducted a number of PK awareness program from school children to elderly to government officials to public at large, researchers, law enforcement agencies, defense professional, and so on. And we have always been supported unequivocally by our CCA. And along with him, we have the DCT Banati sir and the entire CCA team here. And this also has been strongly supported by NIXI because NIXI is the one which is now leading couple of things from India perspective. One is how to make internet universally accessible, which is beyond just access to few people or enabling a particular category. And there are joint activities happening where CCA, MIT, and NIXI is involved along with CDAC. For example, the India Web Browser Development Challenge and so on. So the commitment and support from NIXI has also been phenomenal in the journey. And in this regard, today's event is extremely significant. And this is going to put us on the right path to say that not only India has the processes in place, the manpower, soft power, which everybody knows, but also the quality of software. Instead of being a offshore development center, becoming a place where we are delivering solutions and services that are made in India, made for the world, in line with the vision of the government of India and the Honorable Prime Minister. And that is where we all have to put our hands together and work on in delivering that. And in addition to whatever we are doing in simple PKI, there are two more activities that are extremely supported and continuously being augmented is proliferation is one part, standardization, proliferation and awareness. The second part is the next generation part, so that India's PKI infrastructure remains at par or better than rest of the world, so that we have a voice in international fora, and that becomes very critical for us. And that is the reason today, for example, we have a project that is looking at how to secure PKI from next generation or post quantum era, and that is extremely important. And then another area that along with CCSR and MIT we are working is the office of CCIs on the IoT side, how to make IoT trustable and bring the PKI infrastructure into that. So each of the vertical, if you look at it, they are extremely niche and brand new areas, greenfield for us. And India need not be a follower; we can be the leader, and we need not be even at par. At least we can become one of the advanced nations in those eras. And today, all of the developers who are present here, For us, it is a golden opportunity to become a global leader. And one day we should look at it, you becoming the leader with offshore centers in other countries which you are managing from India. That is the vision. That is what Arvind Kumar sir talks about it when we speak. How do we become, the trusted partner in the world, and people come to us looking for guidance. And it's a very honorable moment for all of us to be in this situation. That from being awareness and adoption, we are getting into development within a community-oriented manner. This partnership is going to take us a long way, and I have to thank Arvind Kumar sir and CCA team for the wonderful opportunity bestowed on us. And at the same time, he being someone coming from, standardization and quality control, in addition to being a mighty person, along with Banati sir, who is also from STQC background, they have also entrusted a third party to evaluate the impact of work that is being done in this area so that there is a independent assessment. So this quality control, being able to know trusted but verified, that is the kind of concept that sir is bringing in. It is actually a different way, fresh thought. That is what enables us to dream and thrive for the global leadership role that we are looking at it. So thank you all for joining today, and I'm going to miss the physical interaction with all of you at least today. But however, I will be online, and I listen to all the thought-provoking and very interesting discussion that are going to go happen and the development practices. Just to let you know, if any of you have a mathematical process or problem where you want to challenge, you need huge compute power. Under NSM, CDAC has enough compute infrastructure available, both as a data center as well as a HPC solutions, and you are welcome to use. You don't have to worry about the capital or investment. You worry about your problem, how to solve it as a developer or as a crypto analyst and cryptographer and things like that. And we are there to support with all kind of infrastructure and support, and that is what we'll do. Any outcome that is coming out of the entire process will actually be with the help of Nixie, and they are there to take it forward from an India perspective. And together, it is going to be a wonderful collaboration going forward. Once again, I thank you all for the opportunity. I see many more faces there in front of me. But in the interest of time, I'll say thank you. Sir, I'll come for coffee with you maybe tomorrow sometime. Thank you, sir. You all have a nice, wonderful time. Thank you.